Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best birthday banner cake topper is probably one of the most versatile and eye-catching decorations you can add to any birthday celebration, instantly transforming a simple cake into a festive centerpiece that guests will remember. This delightful topper not only adds a personalized touch but also serves as a fantastic photo opportunity, making those precious birthday moments even more special and shareable. Its ability to complement various cake designs and themes makes it an indispensable item for anyone looking to elevate their party decor with minimal effort and maximum impact. Number 5. 6-pack gold acrylic happy birthday cake topper set. Make your birthday cake truly shine with this set of 6 dazzling cake toppers. Each one is designed to add a touch of sparkle to your celebration. These toppers feature a beautiful double-sided glitter finish, ready to use right out of the box. No assembly or messy glue required, just pure elegance. With the generous size, they are ideal for larger cakes but also work wonderfully on cupcakes. They are designed to make a striking statement on any dessert. Beyond cakes, these versatile decorations can enhance desserts, centerpieces, and floral arrangements. They are perfect for creating lasting memories. Crafted from premium, high-thickness acrylic, these toppers are built to last. Enjoy their luxurious feel and sturdy construction for many celebrations to come. Each set is carefully packaged in a sturdy, attractive box to ensure safe arrival. You can be confident they will reach you in perfect condition. What we like? Looking for a touch of elegance and sparkle? This option offers a stunning double-sided glitter finish and is made from premium acrylic. If you desire a reusable topper with a luxurious feel that can be a keepsake, this is the perfect choice for your celebration. What people say? The glitter doesn't fall off onto the cake. It's a nice size and looks great on the cake. The topper is sturdy and well-made. Number 4. DIY Happy Birthday Black Acrylic Cake Topper. Add a touch of elegance to your celebration with this beautiful black acrylic cake topper. It's the perfect way to make your birthday cake stand out. Measuring 3.9 inches wide with a 5.3-inch plunger, it's designed to fit beautifully on most cakes. It adds just the right amount of flair without overpowering your creation. This topper is not just for one occasion. It's hand-washable, allowing you to reuse it for future celebrations. Simply wash it gently after use. Arriving in a safe and secure package, it's protected with film on both sides. Remember to peel off the protective film before placing it on your cake for a flawless finish. Crafted from high-quality acrylic, it offers durability and a sleek look. Its versatile design complements various cake styles, making every cake more attractive and personalized. Choose from different styles to match your theme perfectly. Elevate your dessert presentation and create lasting memories with this stunning cake topper. What we like? Want a classic and versatile look? This topper provides a sleek black acrylic design that can be easily customized to match various cake styles. If you appreciate a minimalist aesthetic and the ability to reuse your decorations, this is an excellent option for adding a sophisticated touch. What people say? This banner cake topper is a great addition to any birthday celebration. The design is cute and festive, adding a special touch to the cake. It's made of durable material and can be reused for future parties. Number 3. Happy Birthday Cake Topper Garland. Make your birthday cake extra special with this elegant cake topper. It's a beautiful handmade garland designed to add a festive touch to any celebration. Crafted with care from thick cotton and a biodegradable wood pole, this topper is both durable and eco-friendly. It's designed to be a beautiful addition to your cake. This versatile topper is perfect for any birthday party theme and any age. It's designed to fit seamlessly with your party's decor. You can place it on single or multi-tiered cakes, cupcakes, or even flower bouquets. Its design makes it adaptable to various dessert and floral arrangements. The topper features a charming ivory cotton banner strung with cotton thread, complete with 2 sturdy wood poles. It's a simple yet sophisticated decoration. With poles measuring 10 inches high and a banner extending up to 9.8 inches wide, it provides a lovely visual impact on your cake without being overwhelming. What we like? Searching for a charming, handcrafted feel? This topper features a beautiful handmade banner made from thick cotton with natural wood poles. If you prefer an eco-friendly and uniquely crafted decoration that adds a rustic elegance to any theme or age birthday party, This is the ideal selection. What people say. The glitter doesn't fall off. It's a nice size and looks great on the cake. The banner is sturdy and well made. Number 2. Rainbow Birthday Bunting Paper Cake Topper. Make your celebration pop with this eye-catching cake topper. Its vibrant multicolor design will make your cake the star of the party. Crafted from high-quality, eco-friendly, and food-safe paper, this decoration is as durable as it is beautiful. You can celebrate with peace of mind. Transform any cake into a stunning centerpiece with ease. It effortlessly elevates the celebratory atmosphere of your event. This versatile decoration is ideal for birthdays, anniversaries, baby showers, and more. Add a cheerful touch to any special event. Each pack includes one meticulously designed topper. It's the perfect amount to create an unforgettable, Instagram-worthy cake display. What we like? Need to add a burst of fun and color? This topper boasts a vibrant multicolor rainbow design that is sure to catch everyone's eye. If you're looking for an easy way to make your cake the centerpiece and add a cheerful atmosphere to any celebration, this is the perfect accessory. What people say. The glitter doesn't fall off onto the cake. It's a nice size and looks great on the cake. The topper is sturdy and well made. Number 1. Happy Birthday Black Acrylic Cake Topper. Make any birthday celebration extra special with this elegant cake topper. It's the perfect addition to parties for all ages, from kids to adults. This versatile topper adds a touch of elegance to any birthday, no matter who is celebrating. It's designed to fit every special occasion. Bring more fun to your party events with these delightful decorations. They are sure to be a hit with everyone attending. Easily decorate various foods like cakes, desserts, and fruits with this charming topper. It's a simple way to enhance any treat. Crafted from durable acrylic, this topper is built to last and can be reused for future celebrations. It's a high-quality keepsake for your loved ones. This topper serves as a perfect keepsake for your family and friends, capturing the joy of the celebration. It's a memorable addition to any birthday. What we like? Seeking a simple yet elegant statement? This topper offers a classic design that brings an elegant touch to any birthday celebration. If you want a high-quality, reusable decoration that is perfect for parties of all ages and can serve as a cherished keepsake, this is a fantastic choice. What people say. The glitter does not fall off. It is sturdy and does not bend easily. The colors are vibrant and the design is cute. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.